How's it going, everyone? I'm going to go ahead and just do some tests. After I upgraded one of my Squirt 2s to 6S, we're just going to do a test without any of the cameras on, just to make sure that everything works. After we do that, we will go ahead and throw on the Insta360, the 360 mod, and then we have the 1-inch mod in there, and hopefully everything works fine. It's kind of gusty today, but not so bad. So let's see how this goes. With the 360 mod on. This is going to be test 3 with the 1-inch edition. I'm using a 1100 milliamp hour battery, and we'll see how it goes.